Hello students, welcome back again. So student, today in this session we will do some questions which are based on your chapter shapes and designs. Okay, so let's start from the first question. So in first question, the question is count and write the number of square, triangle and rectangle in the figures given below. So here you have four figures, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have to count the number of triangles, rectangles and square in each figure. Okay, so let's start from the first figure. So here first we have to count the number of triangles. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Okay, so here we have 20 triangles. Okay, now just count other triangles also. So that is your 21, 22, 23 and 24. Okay, 24 and now 25, 26, okay, 27 and 28. So total we have 28 triangles here. Okay, now let's check number of rectangles. So that is your first, second, third, fourth and fifth. Okay, 5 rectangles. Now check other rectangles also. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So total we have 13 rectangles here. Now check it for next shape. First we have to count number of squares. Okay, so here we have 1. Okay, this one is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total we have 6 number of squares here. Now count number of rectangles. So that is your first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. So total here we have 8 number of rectangles. Okay, now come to the next shape, and here first we have to count a number of squares. Okay, so that is your first square. Okay, inside that that's your second square. Okay, third and fourth. So total here we have 4 number of squares. Now count number of triangles. So that is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Total 28 triangles. That is your 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 and the last one 36. So total we have 36 triangles here. Now check our fourth shape. First we have to count number of rectangles. So that is your first biggest rectangle, second biggest rectangle, okay, then third, fourth, Okay, fifth, sixth, 6 rectangles, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So here total we have 18 rectangles. Okay, rectangles means which has two equal opposite sides, जिनकी दो sides opposite sides equal होती हैं and 90 degree angles. Clear? Now just count number of triangles. So that is your first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 8 triangles. Okay, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So total we have 12 number of triangles here. Now come to the next question, question number 2. So in that question we have to count the number of edges and corners of different shapes. Let's start from the first question. How many edges does a cube have? Okay, so edges where two faces are meet, जहाँ पे दो faces आपके मिलते हैं, that is your edge. Okay, so here in cube just count number of edges. Okay, so that is your first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in cube total number of edges are 12. Okay, the answer is 12. Now just count the number of corners in a cube. So check it again, where 2 to 3 edges are made, that is the corner. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total number of corners in a cube are 8. Okay, so our answer is 8. Edges 12 and corners 8. Now check the same question for a ball. Okay, a sphere, and you can say that ball. So number of edges. So in a ball total one face, एक ही फेस होता है पूरी बॉल में. ओके, तो आपके एजेस जो होती है वहाँ पे दो फेस जहाँ पे मिलते हैं वो आपकी एज होती है. जब बॉल में एक ही फेस है तो आपकी एजेस कहाँ से होंगी? क्लियर. सो नंबर ऑफ एजेस आर 0. और जब आपकी एजेस ही नहीं है तो एजेस मिलके कॉर्नर कैसे बनाएंगी? सो इन अ फुटबॉल और इन अ स्पेयर नंबर ऑफ एजेस आर 0 एंड नंबर ऑफ कॉर्नर्स आर 0. इसमें कोई भी एज और कॉर्नर नहीं होते हैं. To the next question, question number 3. So here you have a lunch box, a cuboid shape lunch box. एक cuboid shape का आपके पास lunch box है. So in a cube and cuboid, आपके cube और cuboid दोनों में number of faces, number of edges, number of corners सब similar होते हैं. Okay, so here also we have 12 edges and 8 corners. Now come to the next part of this question. Here you have a cylindrical shape. Okay, so here you have to count the number of edges. So that is your first edge and that is your second edge. Total number of edges in the cylinder is 2. Okay, यहाँ पर आपका क्या है, दो फेसेस, आपकी ऊपर वाला फेस और ये कर्व फेस मिल रहे हैं. So that is your first edge. और यहाँ पर आपके नीचे का फेस और ये कर्व सरफेस मिल रही है. So that is your first edge. Okay, now we have to count number of corners. So here we have 0 corners. Okay, यहाँ पे कोई भी कोना नहीं है. Okay, यहाँ पे आपके सिर्फ दो ही एजेस हैं और दोनों एजेस आपस में मीट नहीं कर रही है, मर्ज नहीं हो रही है, नहीं मिल रही है. Clear? So number of corners are 0. Now the last question is, here you have a prism. Okay, prism shape, and you have to count the number of corners here. So that is your first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8 and 9. So total number of corners are 9. Just check it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so total number of edges are 9, and now just count the number of corners. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So total number of corners are 6. Clear? Now check it for part B of question number 2. Draw three objects that you see around that has corner, and 3 objects that does not have corners. So here you have to draw 3 objects that have corners and 3 objects that doesn't have any corner. Okay, so our first object is a book. Okay, a book. You have to draw a book here. आपको एक book बनानी है. Clear? Book में corners होते हैं आपके 1 2 3 4. So first example is book. Second one is table. Okay, you have to draw a table here. And the third example is board. Okay, board जिसमें आप पढ़ते हैं स्कूल में, white board और black board. So our next example is board. Okay, you can draw here other objects also which has corners. Now objects which doesn't have corners, our first object is our watch. Okay, watch आपकी curved होती है, इसमें कोई भी corner नहीं होता है. Clear? So make a watch here. Next is glass. आपका जो ग्लास होता है वो भी आपके सिलेंड्रिकल शेप का होता है. क्लियर? उसमें भी आपके कॉर्नर्स नहीं होते हैं. सो सेकंड एग्जांपल इज़ अ ग्लास एंड द थर्ड एग्जांपल इज़ अ प्लेट, जिसमें हम खाना खाते हैं, प्लेट. ओके, सो हियर आल्सो यू कैन ड्रॉ अदर ऑब्जेक्ट्स विच डजंट हैव कॉर्नर्स. नाउ कम टू द थर्ड एंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन, एंड आवर थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज ऑब्जर्व केयरफुली द गिवन 10 gram and answer the following question. And our first question is how many triangles are there in a given figure. आपके इस फिगर में कितने triangles हैं? So here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6, total 6 triangles. इस फिगर में हमारे पास टोटल क्या है? 6 triangles हैं. Which pieces are represented by triangles? ओके, सो यहाँ पर आपके कौन कौन से पीसेस जो हैं वो ट्रायंगल को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. सो पीस नंबर 1 2 3 4 5 6. ओके, 1 2 3 4 5 6. These pieces are represented as triangles. Now next question is does any pieces represent a rectangle? क्या इसमें कोई सा भी एक पीस आपको एक रेक्टेंगल रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? सो आंसर इज़ नो. ओके, यहाँ पर कोई भी पीस जो है वो रेक्टेंगल नहीं है. क्लियर? विच पीस रिप्रेजेंटेड द स्क्वायर? आपको क्या यहाँ पे कोई स्क्वायर शेप का पीस दिख रहा है? यस, दिस पीस 7, दैट इज़ अ स्क्वायर पीस. सो हेयर द आंसर इज़ 7. 7 जो है एक ऐसा पीस है जिसमें आपको क्या है, एक स्क्वायर दिख रहा है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज़ ड्रॉ 2 फिगर्स विच कैन बी ऑब्टेन यूजिंग 2 पीसेस ऑफ 10 ग्राम. सो आपको क्या करना है, कोई भी 2 पीसेस लेने हैं इस 10 ग्राम के, और कोई भी एक क्या करनी है, इमेज ड्रॉ, एक फिगर ड्रॉ करना है. सो फर्स्ट हियर आई एम टेकिंग दीज 2 पीसेस 4 and 5. ओके, 4 and 5 को लेके एक हम फिगर बना रहे हैं. सो दैट इज़ योर 4 and 5 and फिगर दैट इज़ another triangle. Now here I am taking 2 pieces and that is 3 and 2. Okay, 3 and 2. Okay, and our figure is this one. So students, that is your today's worksheet. Okay, just watch this video at least 2 or 3 times. Okay, and do these questions in your notebook. Draw these diagrams also. Okay, अब अपने पेरेंट्स की हेल्प से इन डायग्राम्स को भी ड्रॉ करेंगे. क्लियर? ओके, एंड नो नीड टू ड्रॉ दीज डायग्राम्स. आपको डायग्राम्स बनाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एंड अगर आप इसके प्रिंट्स ले सकते हैं सो इट्स वेरी गुड टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू. प्रिंट्स लेके भी आप इसको कर सकते हैं. आई विल प्रोवाइड यू द वर्कशीट्स ऑल्सो सेपरेटली, वर्कशीट PDF. Okay, so one by one do these questions in your notebook with neat and clean handwriting. And if you have any doubt in any question, just comment with the comment section. And if you like this video, just like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.